Okay, what you're looking at here, the top trace is the voltage across the current viewing resistor. The purple trace is the battery voltage. Those two traces are being multiplied together and integrated to produce this trace, which, as you can see, is sloping downward to the right. That means that the energy integral is going negative. Okay, this is in conjunction with the negative power value that's produced by simply multiplying those two traces together. But now we're integrating over time, and as you can see, we are going negative on that, and it's going down. Now here's the clincher. I'm not using an external battery at all. There's the 9-volt battery. We're running the bias supply off of the lowest battery in the stack, and we're using my 555 voltage inverter to give us a pole that's more negative than the most negative of the battery. That output from that inverter is going into the potentiometer circuit, and that in turn is going to the board, bypassing the 50 ohm resistor on the board, okay, because they're just, these batteries are not very charged. Anyhow, so we're oscillating. We're making a negative going energy integral, and we're not using any external power source. We're doing this with the running battery and the inverter that I designed to give a negative voltage of 12 volts that's more negative than the most negative of the batteries. Okay? So no external battery source is required, no function generator, no anything except the inverter circuit using a 555 timer that I designed. And there's your integral showing negative energy accumulation going down to the right. Okay? Now if you want to just see the multiplication of those two traces, I can do that here too. Okay, so let's just do operator 1 times 3. Okay. Okay, so now here, this is just the top trace times the bottom trace. I mean, 1 times 3. This is the instantaneous power product, and here's the means down here. Negative. Right? Negative. Okay, and this is being done, like I said, without any external bias source. We're using the bottom, the lowest, most negative battery as through these two one here and one over towards, oh, I don't even have it hooked in, because I don't need to, but anyway, we'll just plug it in, and that doesn't make any difference. Or does it? Okay. So there you have it. Oscillations, no bias, no external bias supply. We're running the oscillations off of the main battery, and we're making a negative product in the usual manner. You can see where the baseline is of that math trace, right there, and you can see that it goes below the math trace. There's the current trace, and there are the mean, the mean values of that math trace, all negative. Okay, another breakthrough in tar baby technology. No external biased battery is needed. You can run using the inverter that I designed off of the main battery. Thank you for watching.